How to sign up for a new MySpace account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new account on MySpace. So before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. MySpace is a social networking website that was most popular in the mid-2000s. It was launched in 2003 and became the largest social network in the world before Facebook overtook it. So if you want to create a new account on MySpace, you'll just have to go ahead and search for it on your web browser and open the first link that you see. Now once you land on MySpace, on the left side of your screen, you'll find the navigation bar. So you'll find all of the music, video, and people here. So you'll just have to go ahead and click on the option called sign up. And if you already have an account, you can directly sign into your account. But what I'm going to do here is go ahead and click on sign up to create a new account. And if you want, you can connect your Facebook, Twitter, or X, or your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address here. But before that, you'll have to provide your full name, then your username. So you'll just have to select a username for yourself. You'll have to select your gender, enter your email that you want to tie up with your account, then your birthday, and then you'll just have to create your password. I'm just going to go ahead and enter the birthday here. And once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and click on I'm not a robot. So you can, if you want, you can also enter a zip code. So you can just click on I'm not a robot, complete this CAPTCHA, and then you should be good to go. Click on verify. Now just create a password and then enter your zip code, and then you should be good to go. Now simply click on this checkbox. I acknowledge that I've read the terms and conditions. Then you can just click on create account. Make sure that the zip code you enter is valid, and then you should be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.